Video is not required, but it will help you if you are struggling with how to use Canva. So you'll want to make an account first, and then once you make an account, you'll click Create Design, which is right here. And then you can come over here to Templates, and you can pick whatever template you want. I'm going to choose an Instagram post template, just because I know that's going to have a photo box in it for me. But you don't have to use this one. You can pick something else. I'm going to pick this one right here because I like the shape of that photo box. Use this template. So I know that one of my requirements is that I have to have a photo of myself. A selfie or a photo I already have is fine, but I need to be able to connect your names to your faces. So I've already uploaded some, and those will be under my uploads folder. You can upload them by clicking here and then clicking upload an image or video. All right, so I already have some pictures in here that I was using for other projects, so I'm just gonna drag and drop my picture in. Thought I did it. Drag and drop. And hopefully your internet's working better than mine. There we go. And then you can double click on it to move it around in the frame. It will get sharper in a minute. My internet's just very slow today. Then you can change the colors of the backgrounds by clicking like up here. So I kind of feel like I like bright colors a lot, so I'm gonna maybe change some of these colors so that they reflect more of who I am, because that's what this project is all about, me getting to know who you are. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So now the other things I needed to add were some words. Start with my name. And I could change that font if I wanted to by playing up here with fonts. And I can also click text, and I could totally change the type of text it is and drag one of these in and then double click to change it. Now I have to add 5 to 10 other things to this. So I could choose to make those words about things that I like or that I do, or I could choose to use photos that are already in Canva, or I can choose elements, which are going to be more like icons and emojis and things like that. So I know that I like to read a lot, so I'm going to look for a book icon. It really is normally much faster, but my internet is so slow. So once they load, I can pick the ones that I like, and I can just drag and drop those. Some of them you have to pay for, so just don't use those ones. Use the free ones instead. You can rotate them. You can resize them. You can change the colors if you want to, but I actually like those colors, so that's fine. So I love books, and I love photography. These are things you could probably guess about me based on what I teach. I'm going to add that one there. This one I do want to change the colors because I'm not loving the black. There we go. It's better like that. Okay. And then I can keep adding things, and I can do a mix of words or images. And when I'm done, I need to make sure that I rename it in the correct format. So it's going to be Goss Canva Selfie. And then I'm going to come over here to download. And I'm going to download it as a PNG. Mine is downloading. And then what I need to do is I have to go to Padlet, and I click the plus down here. And I click upload. And I pick a file. And mine, I know I named it Goss Canva Selfie, so I can just search that way. Yours might be in your Google Drive, that's okay. And then it'll load, and I can just kind of drag, I guess I can't drag it around. So there it is, and it's on the Padlet, and then I can go in and I can add comments to other people's. So just make sure that you add more than I did to this one. This one was just as my sample image. So remember, the goal is for me to get to know a little bit about you, and I'm really looking forward to seeing these.